We are making chicken pot pies for dinner. Does that mean I'm making homemade pie crust? No. Because I have pie crusts left from Thanksgiving, so we're using them. I already cooked my chicken with my onions and some seasoning in here. Bag vegetables. Roll up to some Kinders. 1 can of cream of chicken to begin with. To make the sauce. Daniel, if you don't stop, I'm seasoning. Okay, I'll go fix it. Yes, good afternoon. But I botched. Fun? Losing a little. I put a happy face on it.
2 children.
Oh. I don't know. Whoever.
Move.
Yeah, I'm just taking the green stuff out.